everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I knew we were going to do it soon, and I know we've got a ton of people that do a very good job of reading the documentation. So I knew we were going to do this soon, and I thought now would be an absolute perfect time because we are doing a lot of manipulation in our Panda series, and if you are not sure about what that is, I'll go ahead and put a card up. But all right, let's look at this little phrase right here, pickling. So we're just going to bring it in, pickle, and take a peek at it. So all right, what pickling is, let's think about what we've been doing with our pandas data frames. We're bringing it in, we're manipulating it, and let's just say it gets very sophisticated in a very large file. And let's say we want to then send the work to somebody, that you're sending the next step. Let's do help. Pickle. So you've done all the work, you've cleaned some of it, and instead of sending them a script, you just want to send them the file. Well, or all the work you've already done, so they don't have to see it, because what we're going to really start talking about is it being clean or uncleaned. And you've cleaned all the stuff, they don't need to see the uncleaned data. You want to show them all the hard and fancy work that you've already done. And this is the tool that you use. You then take the data that you've done, put it into a file type object, and then send that, and then they unpickle it, and then they have the information that you've worked long and hard on. But here you got pickler, unpickler, dump, and load, and you can kind of figure out which is which. But this is a very powerful and very handy tool, because when you're working with huge data sets, every time you get done, you want to stop where you are and stop changing it and stop adjusting it. And this is the perfect way to do it, because if you're changing time series or splitting a time and grouping it into hours, or creating new frames and or columns, which we're going to start doing, but all of these things you don't want to redo every single time. And this is the tool that you use to create new items and new files and new file objects. It's kind of like a bookmark. Think about it like that. It's a place to mark your spot, so after you've created something, you get to save it as a file, and you're not working with it just in memory. So there we go. We're going to start working with this, but this is our pickle module, and this is it. It's called pickling. So we're going to get to it very soon. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done that, and go give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.